We want to determine the equation of the line given the graph of the line in both point-slope form and slope-intercept form. So just to review, remember m is the slope of the line, and then in point-slope form of a line, x sub 1, y sub 1 is any point on the line, and in slope-intercept form, b is the y-intercept. Let's start by determining the slope of the given line. Remember, the slope is the ratio of the rise to run, or the ratio of the vertical change to horizontal change, often denoted as the change in y to the change in x. So if we can select 2 points on this line with integer coordinates, we should be able to determine the ratio of the horizontal change to vertical change from one point to the other. So for example, if we select this point here that has coordinates 2, 1, and then let's say this point here that has coordinates 4, 6, we can figure out if we want to move from this point to this point, and we can only move vertically and horizontally, we would have to move up 5 units, so the vertical change is positive 5, and then we'd have to move right 2 units, so the horizontal change is positive 2, which means the slope of this line is 5 halves. And then to write a possible equation in point-slope form, we just need 1 point on the line. Well, we just found 2 points on the line, so we could use either of these to write the equation in point-slope form. Let's use this point here. So again, using point-slope form of a line, m is the slope and x sub 1, y sub 1 is any point on the line. So one possible equation would be y minus 1 equals the slope, 5 halves, times the quantity, x minus 2. Now because we can use any point on the line, an equation in point-slope form is not unique, meaning we could also use the second point and write the equation in point-slope form. Let's just go ahead and show that. If we use this green point here, we would have y minus 6 equals 5 halves times the quantity x minus 4. And both of these forms would be correct for the equation in point-slope form. And then for slope-intercept form of a line, we already know the slope, but we still have to identify the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is this point here, where the line crosses the y-axis with coordinates 0, negative 4. So b would be equal to negative 4. So in slope-intercept form, we'd have the equation y equals 5 halves x. And then instead of writing plus negative 4, that's the same as minus positive 4. So here's the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. And that'll do it for this example.